Well, I think if we can get just 15% more citizens...
Move the train!
No, it'll kill him! The second we move this train, the pressure will be released and his organs will rupture. Then don't move the train!
Oh, hey there, train man, train man. He once was just a salesman, but now he's a pain man. Train man. And here comes his wife and son.
Hey, it's me. I'm still gonna be late to that meeting.
Come to see what daddy's become.
Listen, I usually get...
His organs squished up by the subway. But his work is never done. There's no time for family fun. He won't let being crushed by a train derail his career. Now in his winter years, he's haunted by fears. His professional success has left him empty. So don't end up a train man. Life's not a game, man, or you'll end up in pain, man. But not from the train, man. Don't blame the choo-choo for your boo.